Our third type of transformation is known as rotation. Now, rotation, you probably have a general idea what it is. So basically, it's as if we've stuck a little pin inside of the object and we're moving it around that pin. All right, so that one point is going to stay where it is and everything else turns around it. So when we talk about how far we're moving it, we generally give it as a number of degrees, so 90 degrees, 180 degrees, something like that. And we normally give a clock direction as well, so either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the thing to remember with this is that if I have a clock, okay, so here is my clock. I won't bother drawing numbers on it. Oh, that's a terrible clock, Mr. Goodsell. I'll go again. All right, so the thing to remember, clockwise is the direction that the hands move in. So that direction is clockwise. Okay. Sorry, the writing on this is being a bit terrible at the moment. And then in the other direction, we have anti-clockwise. Okay. So anti-clockwise is the opposite direction that the hands move in. So let's have a look at moving things using rotation. So I'm going to have in order to rotate, we need to have our point of rotation. It's often labeled with a dot and called C, okay? So I'm going to make a square, all right, and I'll remark C so that it's a bit clearer. So here's C, okay? And I'm going to rotate this by 90 degrees. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to clear those things. I'll write this part in light blue. So 90 degrees clockwise. C-O-L-C-K, clockwise. Okay, so if I rotate this 90 degrees clockwise, so this is going to move 90 degrees. It's going to stay the same distance away from our point, and it's going to end up here. Okay, now this point's obviously going to stay exactly where it is. This point is going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. You'll note with rotation, things that are further away from the center move further than things that are closer to the center. So when we rotate 90 degrees clockwise, we end up with an image that's over here. But you'll note that it hasn't simply shifted to the right. This line here, this blue line, is the image of this green line. Okay, so we haven't simply shifted it over, we've actually rotated it around.